Hello, hello here. My name is Dare. I'd like to share my trading system with you. Um, a little background about myself. I have been trading in the market for the last 15 years. I've traded quite a bit of instruments. I've traded forex as well as shares, stocks, options. But I focus on forex for obvious reasons. However, today I want to share with you one of the strategies that I use, which works for me, and hopefully maybe it could be one of the things that you can keep in your arsenal to use. One of the strategy you might like to use. First thing is I really like this strategy for one reason. We know the adage that the trend is your friend. This is exactly what this strategy does. It helps you to get into a trend which is already in progress. It might have been in progress for days, for weeks, even for months. But you see, you have a trend that is going on, but you find it hard to jump in because you don't know exact point to jump into it. Okay, without ado, I'm going to describe the systems to you. So you can see my chart. On my chart, I've got here a moving average, which is 50-day moving average. This is to identify the trend. This is going to tell you trend is up, trend is down. I'm sure there's many tools and many indicators and many charting packages that will help you to identify trend. But for me, the easiest way to identify the trend is by using this indicator. So when the price is below 50-day moving average, it means the trend is down. When the price is above it, it means the trend is up. So if you like, you can scroll back and check what happened in the past regarding this indicator. It really identified the trend. I will show you that by quickly going to make my charts scrollable. So quickly scroll through the chart. You will see that 50-day moving average is quite a good indicator. Around here, I wouldn't say there's a defined trend here because you can see all around here they are choppy around moving average 50. You can see there's a definite trend going on there. There's a trend going on there. Here you can't definitely say there's a trend because you can see price is oscillating around moving average. So for this system, you need to identify a moving trend, a trend that is started and is in progress. Okay, now so I will describe. So as I said, I have 50-day moving average here. Make it simple moving average. Okay, 50-day simple moving average. And the second thing that you need to add to your chart is a Heiken Ashi, which is an indicator that comes with by default with MetaTrader. Okay, how do we use these two indicators together? So let's scroll back to today, for example. Okay, right. So in a downward trend, when you see the trend, you necessarily don't know up here whether there's a trend or not. But once you've, by the way, this is Australian dollar daily. This could be used on any currency pair. So this is Australian US dollar. I just choose this one because I identify a trend going on there. So not necessarily you will discover that a trend is ongoing right here. So but by the time you've moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 15 days, it will be clear that yes, there's a trend going on, and of course you want to be able to join this trend. Okay, so this is where this Heiken Ashi indicator comes through. So as I said, you know that we are in a downward trend right now because this is SMA 50 and this is the price going down. Okay, right. So what you need to do after you add your Heiken Ashi indicator, you need to wait in a downtrend, you need to wait for a rally. You have to wait for a rally, and when the rally goes on, the color will change. The color of the indicator will change. I don't want to go into the detail of how the indicator was calculated, the formula. You can find out yourself, but this is how to use it. So you wait for the color to change, and after the rally and the trend goes back into its original direction, the color will revert back. In this case, it goes to blue and it goes back to red. You can see a little blue there. So on completion of the red candle, which signifies the continuation of the trend, you will go to the market. Okay, in this case, you go to the market here on the open of the of this candle, and also another chance to come into the market is here. You will go into the market at the close of this red candle, the first candle that confirmed that the trend is continuing. You go into the market from here. Okay, also here you go into the market. Here you go into the market. So you got plenty of opportunities to actually jump into this trend. So let's fast forward to today. So today, this is already a trend going on. You can see it's a downward trend. You can see the price is actually departing far away from the moving average. You can see the price going downwards, and the moving average is separating itself. It shows it's a strong trend, just like here. When the price is going down, the moving average is separating itself. It's a very, very strong trend. So now, what are the chances you have? One, you have a chance of coming in after this red candle, or you have a chance of coming back in after this red candle, or today, today's date is the 11th of December 2013. So we have a red candle yesterday, 11th of December, which signify that we are continuing on the downward trend. It shows that the rally is now finished and Australian USD is going back into the downward trend. So you can see my entry point here at the close of that candle. I came in at this price here. And how do you set your stop loss? To set your stop loss, you will put your stop loss right just above, in this downward trend, above the rally, just few pips above the rally. So my stop loss was here, while my position was my open position was here. I put initial stop loss up here, and as I see that the market has moved in our favor, and then I'll bring my stop loss into break even. So as we are talking right now, the market is still moving. As you can see, we have been in a profit of round about 100 pips today, but the target is actually going to 100. We're targeting about 180 pips. So to recap, you need to set a 50-day moving average. This system works very, very well on 1-day chart or 4-hour chart. It could work on the other time frames, but I prefer the longer time frame. So I'm not worried about closing my position prematurely, and I've given it the position enough room to actually move. So if you have any questions, you might make a comment on this video, and I'll be happy to help you and to answer your question. I could just quickly show you right now that we have 109 pips in profit, and the position will wait until we hit our target. But if we move sufficiently more, we will move our stop loss closer to the current price. Okay, thank you very much. Look forward to talk to you again. All right, bye.